Hello, my name is Matt Franklin. I'm Commercial Director here at Avasam, and I'm going to introduce a new supplier to you today. There's various ways you can source products from the platform. You can have a look at the category tree up here. You can go to the search page, or you can take advantage of our scroll bars down here. So today we're going to look for a Chinese drop shipper, which is supplier number 264. Here they are. So supplier of furniture and accessories. And what does it mean to drop ship from China? Is there any risks? Well, we've taken a lot of risk out of it. We've selected products that are top rated. We've from top rated factories. We've made sure that the products are on 7-day delivery. What does that mean? Well, they're dispatched and delivered within 7 working days. And they're on a track service, so when the product gets to day 5 or 6, the full tracking comes into being. So when the product lands in the UK, they go to either Every or Royal Mail, and the full track service hits at that point, which means that you can tell when the product's being delivered and prove that any deliveries happened as well. So just going into this supplier, I've sorted by price point, high to low, but you can sort in any way you wish, but it gives you an idea of the thumbnails, shows if they've got variants, how many units of stock they've got, and the price point. So you can go down and you can either select all, or you can select individual products and list them. Today I've selected 3 products to have a look at. There are 3 products that have caught my eye. So this first product is a ultra-light detachable portable lightweight chair, suitable for fishing or hiking or just in the garden, to be honest, as well as camping. Some really good photography here. A decent amount of description, but as always you can use the AI tool within Avasam to bespoke your description or optimize it based on who you're selling to and your customer demographic. So this product looks good to me. It's got some variants. It's £12 to £15 cost. You should be able to make some decent margin selling that particular product. This one is utterly genius if this is right, and I haven't got it myself, so I haven't tested it, so I don't know if it is correct, but it's caught my eye. And this is a foot hammock for either a plane, train, or car, not automobile. So this one's well worth looking at because it's a little bit different. And drop shipping is one of those things where you either follow the crowd or you try and find something which has got a great story to it, and people have got problems with seating and resting their feet in an airplane. And this one, if it definitely does work, then wow, someone's on a winner. So some good photography again here in terms of where it can be used, the dimensions for the product, so the customer knows whether it's relevant or not. There's a few different variants in there. £24 to £28 might seem expensive, but my God, if this works, it's genius. It's well worth it because you've almost then got yourself a business class or a first class seat within your flight. And then the last one, we're at the time of the year where people might be having guests across, and so there are different options for guest bedding, whether you go down the inflatable route, but obviously that has issues. You might not have room to always store a bed in a secondary bedroom or whatever. So having casual bedding like this that can be basically vacuum packed down and stored somewhere, or brought out, or even just like cozy Sunday watching a film, bringing it out and just lying down with the kids. This has so many options, and who knows space saving better than the Japanese, and this is based on a floor mat from Japan. So you've got different prices, there's different sizes or different colorways. Again, photography is really good, and good description on this product as well. So they're my 3 picks from this particular supplier, 264, Chinese dropship supplier of furniture and furniture accessories, and loads of other products within that supplier. If you've got any problems, then reach out to us at the live chat or contact us by email at Avasam, support@avasam.com. And I will see you on the next video. Thanks a lot. Bye. Why dropship with Avasam? Avasam is the UK's only multi-channel, fully automated dropshipping marketplace. We connect professional online sellers to brand owners and optimize sales via established e-commerce platform partners, such as eBay. Our sellers generate sales and handle front-end customer support for your brand. And we automate the order flow, payments, shipping instructions, inventory synchronization to ensure that all orders are reliably fulfilled. When you're on the platform, you'll see many products from 18 categories: fitness, fashion, health and beauty, food, technology, across multiple brands. Avasam has earned multiple nominations and awards from 16 categories from recognised e-commerce and business institutions. Sign up or book a call today. Go to www.avasam.com, and if you're a supplier, go to Suppliers and book a call with myself for a platform demo. If you're a seller or interested to be a seller, there's lots of resource on the platform, but have a look at the free trial and sign up today.